on a beautiful sunny Saturday afternoon. We're on our way to Ayala Malls, Manila Bay for the Chinga Summer is Out car meeting. And this is a very exciting event because it's going to be attended by different medias, different concessionaires, and different car groups and car clubs, and different builders. And of course, nandito din yung mga different apparels. Yun, Become Legendary will also be there. Yung ibang mga food concessionaires, of course, nandun. So yun, this is a very exciting event. Also friends of Chinga, and of course the friends of Chinga. Sobrang masaya tong event na to. Please watch till the end. Also please like and subscribe this channel so we can create more videos like this. And ayun, thank you very much for all your support, for all your comments. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Have a great day, have a great weekend. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go. Taray na sponsor ni James. Ba talaga tong Chinga? Alright guys, Joms TV Media. We're here at Ayala Malls Chinga Meet with All About Cars and Kid. Late ako. Sobrang late. Ayan, si Iris number 1. Nag-vlog ba to? Hello po. Welcome to your vlog. Si Kid. Hi. One set of tires from Double Star. Yes, Become Legendary.
Yung Double Star. Yes. Yung Double Star.
Guys, Prosper, oh.
Double Star wins.
Become Legendary, sir, oh. Kamusta? Sir, kamusta po? Hello. Sir, kamusta po? Ito mga idol natin ng media. Ayan pa isa, oh. Ayan, oh. Prosper Society in the house. Ayan. Wala na akong nasabi. Basta, ayan. Ito yung mga event. Yes, congratulations, guys. Sobrang successful. Sobrang successful.
Congratulating Syndicate Customs.
Congratulations. Oy! Golf number 1. Ay. Grabe naman. Hi, ma'am. i-edit ko naman to eh. Hindi kasi tatapat ko sa inyo. Oh, Paige. Paige.
Wala po.
Wala pa? Kasama mo? Okay. So kung gusto niyo lang cosplay, tama? For, ano ba?
JDM.
Model. O yan, for JDM. Ayan, tulad yan. Of course. ESO Films. Solid. Kala mo late ka? Hello, Sir Jeff.
Convention, meron tayong cowboy na available dito sa book nila. Ngayon sa siyempre kung may problema sa battery na sa sasakyan.
Sakto.
Yan. Pwede nyo i-visit ang Motolite Group. So meron silang free battery check-up. And also download nyo yung Motolite app. Meron silang free items. Like Motolite app, Motolite Pet, Rescue. Yung Motolite Rescue app, download nyo lang yan kung saan sa book nila.
Oh guys, like and subscribe kayo sa Auto Lifestyle. Alright, ito yung kotse ni Sir. Makikita nyo to dun sa video natin with birthday celebration ni South Junction, na Sir. Alright, yun. Solid. Sir, thank you. Thank you. Importante to eh. Sir Josh, oh. Eh, syempre, idol ko to eh. Solid. Guys, Tantoko TV, Prosper Society, Tambayan Suyubel. Another day, another vlog. Teka lang.
Okay, let's go.
Sun's up, snooze, but I'm still dreaming about you. Stretching out in my bed, got these crazy thoughts in my head. Morning light shines on you, girl, you got that honeydew view. Start the day feeling right, cause you've been on my mind all night. Every minute, every hour, feeling your power. Got me weak, yeah, you're my tower. Good morning, girl, you're my sunrise. With you
Hanip, nanalo.
feel so right. Naughty thoughts as you pass by. Let's start the day on this high.
Panay na ng hood. Grabe mo rin. Ayan, nasipan.
Ano eh,
Ayan, Arbon.
may tao kasi.
Arbon.
Ano masasabi niyo dun sa paraffol? Bring me. Ano?
Bring me a hood.
Oh guys ha, dito sa Chinga, hood ang bring me. Puta. Solid oh. Hina. Wala akong masabi.
So congratulations sa nanalo ng 4 liters ng Gulf Oil. Baka po pwede ka isang Gulf representative na sumama sa picture. Gulf representative po, yan.
Ba talagang Chinga guys. Hood.
Grabe. Congrats. Thank you very much, sir. Sorry. At least walang sticker sa likod. Oo. Galing.
Grabe, thank you. Grabe. Galing, oh. Winner, oh. Of course, Sir Don Smith.
Congratulations, Sir Darwin. Congratulations to our winner.
Wala pa ng cars, nanalo ng team at saka ng gulong. Grabe na yan.
300 mo lang also.
Paldo. Congrats, guys.
Ay, sa Abra daw kukunin yung gulong.
Napaka-solid naman.
Ingat po. Oh, ano masasabi mo sa event?
Successful.
Deserve ba ng part 2?
Siyempre. Part 2 na agad.
Oh guys, say up tsaka All About Cars, ano masasabi mo sa event ni Chinga? Solid, no? Dahil parapon.
300. Nanalo ako ng tin. Nanalo ako isang set ng goma.
Kanina pa nasigaw to ng gulong.
Siya yung grand winner, guys, ng gulong. Kumo tires. Solid sa Kumo. Saka yung team mo, Irina.
Kay Syndicate Tosto.
Kulay ng Joms TV Medio. Midnight Garage. Guys. Congratulations. Yan, sir. Una ka pa sa first, gusto ko yun. Ayun, oh. Bumaba na. Hachi guys, so thank you. Sir, ingat. Sir, kamusta event?
Napakaswerte. Alive ba yan? Alive ba?
Hindi, video para sa content.
Naman, napakaswerte again, all about cars. Ikaw ang nalo sa team, National Tires. I'm so proud of that guy. Sana manalo ka ulit, pero huwag na sa event ko.
Oh, abangan nyo event. Announcement?
May 24, JDM Street at AGC ulit. None other than Carl Martin. Sabi nga ni Mr. Moab, si Mr. Sagasa, sabi ni Moab. Sama ko yung 24. Sana mapunta kayo.
Okay, guys, post natin ito. Guys, with Go Factory. Thank you Sir Johnsky. Oh guys, interview naman natin yung may yung Alright guys, Drums TV Media with Mr. James Ulrich of Chinga. Sir, yan, message. Kamusta? Okay guys, message from the Chinga man himself, Mr. James Ulrich.
Yes guys, thank you so much sa support nyo sa pagpunta. Thank you. Kung wala kayo, wala si Chinga. Yun lang yun. At saka, ang daming mga blessing pumunta, nag-sponsor sa akin kay Chinga for this event. Thank you so much and looking forward for more events with you and see you soon. Thank you. Like and follow nyo si Drums TV Media. Digit yan.
Saka sobra. Guys, tingnan nyo, sobra. Salamat. Guys, ako lang nagpapirma ng t-shirt kay Chinga. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, no? Pirmado yan, guys. Tsaka na-become legendary. Ayan, no? Collab shirt nila. Sir, congratulations. More power sa mga susunod na event.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Salamat.
Sobra. God bless, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This episode is brought to you by Coolman Essentials.